A Ford F-150 wheel spacers good or bad? 30 Ford F-150 wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The Ford F-150 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part between the hub assembly and the wheel. High-quality Ford F-150 wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Ford F-150 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing Ford F-150 wheel spacers is a great way to fix one of set rubbing problems. They are installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you will less limit to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These Ford F-150 wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension component. Their performance benefits through upgrading with Ford F-150 wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better roll resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Ford F-150 wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. Bonus Forge Active Cooling Ford F-150 wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 event. These Ford F-150 wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, the Bonus Forge Active Cooling Ford F-150 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pedal shape, these rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. To ensure strong wheel spacer hub connection, Bonus Forge Active Cooling Ford F-150 wheel spacers feature ISO grade 4.9 wheel stud, as well as ISO grade 10 lug nut. All Bonus wheel spacers kits are delivered with authoritative F3S and DWAY certification report. In addition, Bonus Forge Active Cooling Ford F-150 wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. Such Bonus Forge Active Cooling Ford F-150 wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.